This video is created in partnership with Adobe, and so throughout today's video, I will be using tools like Adobe Firefly and Photoshop. You can check the description below this video for full disclosure details. If you've been searching for the best AI image editor to build your brand in 2026, then here's my recommendation after testing quite a few of them. The four main tools that I'll be focused on in today's video are Adobe Firefly, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Lightroom, and Adobe Express. Adobe Firefly is best for brands and businesses because it's really good at brand exploration and it's an AI image generator with commercial safety. Adobe Photoshop is ideal for creatives and designers, especially people who are in an aesthetic industry like photography or graphic design. And that's because it's really good at polished photo editing, precise brand asset creation, single image transformations, and multi-image composites that are uniquely yours. Adobe Lightroom is best for entrepreneurs who are ready to scale their output because it's best for photo consistency and overall feed cohesion. And Adobe Express is great for the solopreneurs who don't have a ton of time because it's really good at scaling your brand into everyday content. I'm going to show you exactly why each of those tools earns their ranking and exactly how to use them all together. And the point of this is not just to help you make prettier graphics or cooler images, but because these help solve a problem that so many creators and entrepreneurs have, which is that your content looks very inconsistent. The visuals don't match from post to post, and more importantly, they don't really feel like you. Plus, you're probably spending way too much time editing. Something that I think a lot of creators get wrong is that they think their personal brand is just a font or colors or a certain filter that you're adding to all of your posts, when in actuality, your personal brand is how quickly someone can recognize a post and decide that it's from you without even seeing your username on the post. Your unique format or style or message or point of view is what makes your personal brand. And the best AI image editors don't remove that, making your content look more generic or more fake or more polished. They just remove the friction, which allows you to amplify your personal brand. Basically, what makes you or your brand unique and special can come out more clearly, more consistently, and faster with these AI tools. With all that being said, let's break down all these different tools and why I think they're so great. Let's define some criteria because best AI image editor can mean multiple things to different people depending on who you're talking to and when you're talking to them. So as I was thinking about this and how it relates to your personal brand and content creation and Instagram, here's what I think matters the most. Number one, speed. Does it reduce the time spent editing without reducing the quality? Number two, consistency. Does it help you stay consistent? And does it help your posts stay consistent from one post to the next? Number three, creative control. Does it help you make decisions or enhance your decisions, or does it just make decisions for you? Number four, of course, commercial safety. Like, can you actually use these things to help grow your business, or are you putting yourself at risk? And number five, integration. How easily do these tools mix into your existing workflows? And that last one is where a lot of standalone AI editors really fall short. They're great at one thing, like smoothing your skin or removing the background or creating an image from a prompt, but they aren't integrated into an entire workflow. You're jumping from app to app to app and subscription to subscription to subscription to make it all work. And I think that's the main advantage of operating within the Adobe ecosystem. Firefly, Photoshop, Lightroom, and Adobe Express are all built to work together. For creators and small business owners who need consistent, on-brand visuals at scale, the integration is the real competitive advantage that Adobe has over using multiple different AI tools patched together. Now, like I said, we're going to talk about each of these four tools in detail in just a second, but before we do, I wanted to quickly touch on visual consistency because it's something that I think a lot of people misunderstand or overcomplicate. It's 2026. You do not need to spend thousands of dollars on a branding agency or a full-blown professional photo shoot. What you need is for all of your content to feel like it's coming from you. This could mean a consistent editing style or similar lighting or recognizable layouts or repeatable thumbnails or a repeatable formula for your content. And exactly how these things are going to work is going to vary from niche to niche because if you're a travel creator, you're likely going to have different visuals than if you're a business coach. And they're also going to vary within niches because you are likely a very different travel creator than every other travel creator. Your personal brand is so much more than just the words you're saying. It's also the way people feel while they're watching your content and after they finish consuming your content. And that's heavily influenced by the way it's presented. That's why editing matters so much, and that's where AI tools can really help. Basically, more consistent brand, less time, less effort. Now, as I've been talking, you've likely been feeling some anxiety trying to figure out what is your personal brand going to look like. Like maybe you have an idea what you want to be known for or what your niche is, but you don't really know how to then capture that in a visual. That's where Adobe Firefly comes in. And like I said earlier, that's why I believe it's the strongest AI image generation tool for brand exploration. With their text to image tool, you can generate brand visuals, test background styles, mock up Reels covers, and explore different aesthetics in minutes instead of hours. So instead of spending an entire weekend doing market research by scrolling through the internet looking for inspiration and photos that you like, you can instead type in ideas and reverse engineer exactly what your brand is going to look like. And the Firefly image editor allows you to then go even further. You can remove distracting backgrounds, swap out elements, extend a composition to fit different aspect ratios, or improve a composition altogether so that the final image feels more aligned with your brand. And you can do all of this in one place. And this matters because if one post looks super minimal and polished, and the next post looks super raw and organic and maybe even cluttered, it's going to feel like it came from two different creators, and that's going to weaken your personal brand. And one key thing that differentiates Firefly from other AI tools that might have similar capabilities is that Adobe Firefly's native models are trained on licensed content and designed to be commercially safe. And that matters because if you're using this content for paid promotions or launches or sales or any sort of business content, you need to know that the content is designed for commercial use. And I think a lot of business owners have been burying their heads in the sand about this, but a lot of AI image generators can't say that, which means using the content from these other generators is putting you at a legal risk. So within the personal branding process, I see Adobe Firefly as the visual brainstorming and brand exploration tool. Once you have creative direction, the next step is execution. And that's where Adobe Photoshop is one of the most powerful AI image editors available for your detailed work. And I think this is where the difference between AI-generated content and intentionally designed content with the use of AI actually shows up. Let's say that you used Firefly to help you come up with the concept for the first slide of your carousel or an image promotion or your course banner. It is then Photoshop where you can refine those ideas and turn them into a polished output that's ready to post. Photoshop's AI features like generative fill, generative expand, and AI-powered selection tools allow you to do the following. Number one, remove background distractions so that the viewer focuses on what really matters. Number two, compose images for vertical crops without losing the original shot. Number three, clean up photos non-destructively so that nothing is permanent. That means that you can go back, correct things, change things in the future, or fix something if you made a mistake. And number four, refine AI-generated assets into polished, brand-ready visuals that are ready to post. And the layer-based workflow means that everything is editable. Each layer becomes an asset, something that you can edit, reuse, or refine in the future. Most AI editing apps apply their changes directly to the photos themselves. Photoshop's layer-based AI editing means that you can go back, you can adjust, and you can iterate without ever worrying about losing the original image. And for personal branding specifically, Photoshop is the right tool for anything where your image and the message you're trying to deliver have to work together. The cover of your reel, the first slide of your carousel, the thumbnail of your YouTube video, the launch graphic for your course, the speaking event promo, the before and afters, all of that can be created and done better in Photoshop. AI image editing in Adobe Photoshop is best for creators and small business owners who need precise, non-destructive control over their brand assets and their important photos. All right, let's talk about Lightroom, because if Firefly is for brand exploration, Photoshop is for refining those images, Lightroom is for consistency. Like I mentioned earlier, something that most creators and small businesses underestimate is that someone should be able to look at your photo or your thumbnail or your post and say, yep, that's them. And the reality is most people will subconsciously recognize your brand before they even consciously are aware of it, meaning that they're more likely to engage with your content, watch till the end, or click on your video because their brain is like, oh, that feels familiar. And that is done intentionally through using Lightroom. Adobe Lightroom is one of the best AI tools that I have used for building consistency across an entire content library. And here's 4 reasons why. Number one, you can apply what they call adaptive presets, which are a set of presets that allow you to selectively edit parts of your photo. Number 2, and I know you're gonna love this one, you can batch edit your entire content library so that your feed feels and looks more cohesive. You can create your own presets with the colors or look and feel that your brand is known for, and then easily apply that across your entire content library. That means even if you have content that was created on different days or photos that were taken at totally different locations and settings, and you have content from all over the place, even multiple years apart, it can all have the same feel and look. And number 4, you can make selective edits to to just specific areas within photos. So you can adjust the sky, skin tones, shadows, all of those individual things without affecting the entire image as a whole. With just a few subtle edits and tweaks, all of your content will start to look cohesive. It will all look and feel like it's coming from the same brand or person, and that will amplify the power of your branding. AI image editing within Adobe Lightroom is best for creators and small business owners who regularly shoot content, but they want a consistent and recognizable aesthetic across their feed without having to edit each piece of content from scratch each time. Fourth, last but not least, and actually arguably my favorite of the 4 tools, is Adobe Express, because it allows you to create your content at volume, thus scaling your output. I think that one of the most common sources of burnout and stress and overwhelm for people trying to grow on social media is that they're creating each post from scratch every single time. Adobe Express is designed specifically to solve that problem. It's the fastest way to turn your personal brand into repeatable, everyday content. Because a strong personal brand, and one that is recognizable, is built through repetition. Here are the 4 ways that Adobe Express does that. Number 1, they have templates for quote graphics, story posts, carousels, announcements, reels covers, thumbnails, whatever it is that you prefer. Number 2, you can keep all of your assets locked in between designs with what they call brand kits. So your fonts, your colors, your brand elements, all of that can remain the same. Number 3, you can resize content automatically with just one click, so that everything that you create can automatically be fit for each individual social network. And finally, they have AI text effects and generative features to add a polish quickly. For creators and small businesses who are managing content at volume and trying to scale, Adobe Express allows you to have a consistent brand throughout each post without having to turn every single post into like a massive design project. Basically, you can make your content more recognizable without having to reinvent the wheel every single time. AI image editing in Adobe Express is best for beginners who want that professional looking branded content done fast and at scale without having to reinvent the wheel with each post. Now here's what I want to make sure is clear, and what might be the most important point of the entire video. The point of using AI tools for your personal branding is not to become less personal. In fact, it's the opposite. You're using these tools to reduce friction and make life easier so that more of what makes you unique and what makes you a person or what makes your brand special can come through consistently. The best AI image editing tools are not the ones with the most features. They're the ones that can remove the most friction without removing what makes you you. The goal is to spend less time on the tedious parts of posting on social media and more time on the things that are actually going to make your brand powerful and recognizable, like your message, your unique perspective, your personality, and your consistency. And that's exactly what these tools do when you use them right. They don't remove your creativity, they just make it easier to be creative. If you want a stronger brand in 2026, don't just think about posting more. Think about being more recognizable. Think about making your visuals more consistent. Think about how your posts can be more intentional. And think about what you really want to be known for. And that's where Adobe's AI-powered editing tools can really help. So here's my breakdown of the best AI image editors in 2026. Adobe Firefly for brands and businesses that need to do brand exploration and create generative content with commercial safety. Adobe Photoshop for creatives who really care about precise and polished control. And for layer-based image editing so that you don't have to worry about destroying your entire image when you are using AI to work with it. Adobe Lightroom for entrepreneurs who are ready to scale their output and need that photo consistency and overall cohesion. And finally, Adobe Express for those solopreneurs who don't have a ton of time and they need to scale their content so that it is repeatable and formulaic. If you want to check out any of these tools for yourself, I will put the link to each of them in the description below. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to press that like button, and as always, happy networking.